Amarach is the future. They have the Anam Briathra and Ejeth Briathra on here. They didn't put the conditional on here. Okay, so encourage you to, if you get a chance. I have a few of these if anyone needs to get one from me. The top section here are all short verbs, so they all follow the same pattern we just went through. Okay? And actually the bottom section are all the irregular verbs in Irish, which we kind of started this whole course off with the irregular verbs, and we've been hitting them as we've gone through the lessons.
Where can you buy those?
I have them. You could probably get them actually online from Litreacht, or maybe a few other places I think have them that sell Irish stuff online.
Email address on here.
Yeah. So, but if you look for them on Litreacht, I'll try to remember to put it up on the website, so if you need a reference to it. Okay.
Is Gathla present or habitual?
Gathla it's the present habitual. There's a past habitual which isn't on there. But the present habitual is the ones you do regularly. If you're talking about what you're doing right now, you usually use the egg. So Tom egg, fog oil, and chi, I am leaving the house right now. But foggen and chi, and chaff, Gathla.
That's the question, this on Bawalium.
Mm-hmm.
What's the past tense of this volume?
Bawalium. Yeah, Bawalium actually could mean one of two things. It can either mean I liked or I would like. Yeah.
I like or would like?
Yeah. Yeah. You can say, so Bav Rayome means I loved it also. So someone might ask, or Han someone might ask you, or Han and Bielat, did you like the food? Or Han, did the food please you? And you could say Bav Rayome. Means I loved it, okay, which also we've learned means I would love it. Okay, so you sort of have to know by context which one's meant. Okay. All right. What I'm going to do is go through part of this page 3. What I did is put some samples of other verbs that are short verbs, so they follow the same patterns we just did. Okay. Just to see how they relate to each other. Okay, and I didn't put every form of them. So the first one is tog. Tog means take something. So take this one. Tog and kyan sho. Okay. And past tense is hog, so you aspirate it. So I took this one. Hogme and kyan sho. Someone know, how would you ask, did you take this one? Or hog to kyan sho. And how would you say no? Near hog. Near hog. And how would you say I took that one?
Took me kyan.
Kyan shin. Hogme and kyan shin. So I took hogme and kyan shin, that one. Okay? And put the example here of the future, so I won't take that one. Ni hogime and kyan shin. And how do you say I'll take this one? Alright, we'll take this one. Togime. Togime and kyan sho. Okay, so ni hogi is won't take, togi will take. Okay? So another word now, ol is drink. So notice all these are short. They have one syllable. Tog, ol, cur, fon, brish, okay? Shul, all short words. Okay? So command not to drink. So good expression, don't drink the water, right? Na hol and tishka. Okay, so the word na meaning don't do something puts an H on a vowel. So na hol, don't drink, and tishka, the water. Okay, how would you say drink the beer? Ol and vyor. Okay, Used to be good advice for traveling in Europe, right? Okay, so Nahol and Tishka Olin Vjor. He drank the water. Dolce and Tishka.
Dolce and Tishka.
Just an Ishtashatin, right? And so he's sick now. Dolce and Tishka. How would you say he didn't drink the beer? And Bjor, yeah. Near Olshe and Bjor. Okay? And how would you ask someone, did you drink the water? Or old to and Tishka. How would you say yes? Dol. Okay, and no? Nero. Okay? Alright, and then present tense on that one. Again, you have that A and N ending we mentioned. So, she doesn't drink the water. Ni Olin she and Tishka. Okay? And how would you ask, do you drink the water?
On Olin.
An Olin to and Tishka. How do you say yes? Olin. Olin. Yeah.
Why not Dolan?
Dolan doesn't mean anything. Yeah.
It'd be logical that if D's everywhere else.
The D's actually, the D's show up. The D's show up in two cases here. The D apostrophe. It shows up when a word starts with FH or with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or with just A, E, I, O, or U, and only in the past tense or in the conditional. So, dole may I drank, or doling I would drink. Okay. So, actually, a good example. So, number 7. So, would you drink the water? An olfa and tishka. How would you say I would? Doling. Okay. So pretty much the same endings we use when we're going through fog. Doling. Literally, I would drink. Doling. Yeah. Doling. Okay. That's ol. So another short word is cur. So we had cur eran morde before I put it on the table. So here we have the plural. Put them on the table. Kurgi eran morded. Okay, so put them on the table. Kurgi is put for talking to more than one person. Eran mord on the table. Iad is them. Okay? And the past question I have here, where did you put them? Kar Hershivid. How would you say we put them on the table? Yeah, so Churamar Ermordiad.
I like it when the answer's the next line down.
Yeah, it's the next one down actually. Yeah, Churamar Ermordiad. We put them on the table. Okay? And next one down, 11, is a future one. So we will put them in the kitchen. Churamij Sachishchiniad. Okay? So when we had worked with fog, say that we will leave something. It's fogamage, but we will put kuramage. And if you notice, the endings on this one just has an I and this one has an AI, so that it matches what's before it, because this ends in an A, O, or U, and this ends in an E or I. Okay?
We will put.
Kuramage is we will put, fogamage we will leave. Okay? And then next one we have, number 12, is the word fon, which means to stay or to wait somewhere. So stay at home. Fonagi Sawalya. And are we talking to one person or more than one person now?
More than one.
More than one, because it's fonagi instead of fon. Okay. Alright, so the igi ending is plural. Okay. to say we stayed at home all day. Donamar Sawalya and La Erfad.
Donamar Sawalya Erlor Anfod.
Okay, so Donamar we stayed, Sawalya at home, and La Erfad the day altogether, the whole day. Okay? And we have the I wouldn't stay at home, the next one. Ni aning Sawalya.
Ni Aning Sawalya.
How'd you ask someone, would you stay at home? Would you? How about person? And one fa. And one fa, would you stay? And one fa. It's the same pattern as and wag fa, would you leave something?